So I'm here with my brother. Say hi. And we're going to try 2 Japanese sodas and this Korean snack box. I think we should start with the Japanese soda first, right?
I mean...
Yeah. Okay, so we got 2 of them. More like he bought them, but I digress. Strawberry. And then League of Legends, which I don't think it's exclusively to Japan, but I'm not 100% sure. Which one do you want to try first?
I don't know, the strawberry one, I guess.
Okay. Gotta get the cups over here. Open that shit up. Yeah.
Pretty strong strawberries flavor.
Let me put the lid back on this before it spills everywhere, and we have an accident, and I don't feel like cleaning that up in my room. Okay. Cheers. Honestly, not that bad. Kind of sweet. Like, more sweet than normal Coke, but not that bad. Okay. I am dreading this one. League of Legends flavored. Put the cup down. Thank you. Doesn't smell like jack shit. Well, it smells like regular Coke, but... It's probably gonna taste like regular Coke. Okay. Why does this almost taste like medicine?
Not entirely medicine. But I've had this taste before. Just don't know exactly where.
Kind of tastes like medicine. Ugh.
But I've really drunk that before.
That tastes like medicine. Okay, now after all that, time for the main event. Korean snacks. Let's open this up. I'll pull out the little booklet, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Ooh. This is what it looks like inside. Over here. Okay, so this is the little booklet. It tells us what everything is. Gives us a little facts. Okay. First up, we have what looks to be a baseball guy holding a banana. So I'm assuming it's banana flavor. Oh, yes, it says home run ball banana splits. So it's going to taste like a banana split. So I'm just going to give it a little open. This is why I should have had scissors. And we're in the same household.
Here.
We only live once. Okay. This is what it looks like. It looks like a Cocoa Puff blew up.
Actually, it looks like those cream puffs you buy out of the store that are in the freezer section.
Okay. Okay, not bad, I guess. Let me see. So, hi Thai. I think I'm butchering that. Home run ball banana split. Classic banana split flavor in a bite-sized snack. Each Cocoa Puff ball, it is a Cocoa Puff ball, has a creamy mix of vanilla, banana, and strawberry filling inside.
That was just weird.
Okay, next we have what looks to be strawberry wafer cookies. Hai Thai strawberry ice cream wafers. Crisp vanilla wafers made to resemble a waffle cone, packed with sweet and creamy strawberry flavor between every layer. Sounds interesting. I'm gonna open that up. Give it a little open. What the heck is it in? It's wrapped inside of a wrapper. US, get better. Okay. Just gonna. Oh my gosh, it's very one.
It's like the American version.
Yeah, kind of does. Okay, next we have literally just cotton candy, just sugar roly cotton candy. This is literally just gonna be cotton candy. It smells weird in the packaging. Oh, it looks like a rainbow. Cotton candy? It's just gonna be cotton candy. Damn, it has flavor.
That just caused sugar.
Okay, that's good. That is literally just cotton candy though, but it is good.
I mean, I've seen people do worse with cotton candy, so...
Okay, next we have this sand wafer. It's a sand wafer. Just looks like a flat cracker. Okay, it's a thin crisp. Deliciously, I can't English, light biscuit that sandwiched a smooth, tart, tangerine cream filling. I don't have coffee because it says it should be paired with coffee, so we're just gonna YOLO it. This is what it looks like. Oh well, I broke it.
I actually like it. This is
Not
actually
bad.
surprisingly very pleasant.
Not bad.
Now I want more of them.
Okay, next it's a cocoa pie. Cocoa pie black sugar milk tea. A satisfying snack that blends the flavors of black sugar milk tea with the beloved cocoa pie. Featuring a classic marshmallow layer infused with creamy milk tea flavors. So, this is just going to be like a moon pie that I hate. Hopefully it's better than a moon pie. I'm just going to drop it. You get the bigger half because I don't like moon pies.
Yep. That's exactly like a moon pie.
Literally just a moon pie. Not a fan of that. Moving on. Okay, I'm back after I got that horrible, disgusting moon pie out of my mouth. Next, we have, like, this little thing. It's called a CW Strawberry Tart Cookie. A premium dessert cookie with a chewy strawberry puree in the center of a crisp. Looks like something a grandma would have on a plate. This split in two easily. Not bad.
I'm gonna make strawberry touch cookies. Any more? You got any more flavors of it? I'm gonna love it.
Next, we have crayon Shin-chan. Sorry. My Japanese is not that good, or Korean. Whatever this character is, I'm pretty sure he's Japanese. Barbecue noodle snacks. This better taste good. Oh, it smells good. Okay, I dig these. Kinda has like a spice to it. As he eats more.
Definitely gonna put these on salads.
Oh, I have a salad downstairs. Yep, that's going on a salad. Okay, next we have Cosmo Twists. They're called, these baked twists have a delightful texture, are made with soybean powder, which provides a mild and slightly nutty flavor. I feel like I've had these before. They do smell like nuts. Tastes like peanut butter.
Not entirely bad.
Okay, next we have Crown Segum. I'm butchering this. I apologize. It's great flavor. That's all you need to know. Soft and juicy fruit chews with just the right amount of chewiness and a bursting with the sweet and tangy essence of real grape. So it's basically a high chew. Basically just a high chew. Even the packaging is like a high chew. Definitely like a high chew.
I wonder what would happen if you freeze dry one of these.
Probably explodes. I dropped it. I caught it. Fine. Yep. That is definitely great. Okay, next we have yogurt jelly, original flavor. All the flavor of a Korean yogurt drink in a jelly gummy form. So let's see if I can get the sweet taste of Korea in this jelly form. Can I even open this? I really hate those peel bags. It definitely smells like yogurt.
What? That looks like a little bottle. Looks like those Coke bottles.
Yeah, it looks like a bottle.
Not bad.
Taste is better than it smells. Okay. Next up, last but not least, is Demi Sota Peach, a refreshing and fragrant beverage that captures the essence of the succulent peaches with a sparkling twist. So it's peach soda. Okay. My nails are not going to allow this. Hold up. Why can't I have that here? Koreans and Japanese people, can I just come over there and take your snack items?
That is damn good.
This right here, stole the show. Second up, I love this. And the cotton candy was not bad. Most hated item. The stupid cocoa pie.
Just so you know, if there's any Koreans out there, please tell me where I can get more of these.
He wants to know where he could get more of these delicious tangerine sand wafers. You probably can Amazon it.
Probably.
I also liked the little yogurt gummies. They weren't that bad. The smell though, could not do the smell. No smell. These just tasted like, here, you can hold this. Normal freaking wafers that we have over here. So I wouldn't even bother trying to find these and try them because they just taste normally. The twists taste like peanut butter. Like not a sweet peanut butter, but like just peanut butter. These are literally just Cocoa Puffs with filling in it. It's kind of subtle, so it's not that flavorful, but they were alright. Yeah, and the tart was good. Not that bad. These are literally just Hi-Chews with a kick. So if you're looking for that, yes. And these were great. These were great. Gonna go great on my salad tonight that I'm gonna eat. So, yeah, that was all for the box Korean snacks. I couldn't think of the name for a second. My brain is like shutting down since it is nighttime. But yeah, that was fun. What are your take on it? Your thoughts? Your opinions? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
Still love these.
He really loves them. If you're Korean, please tell him where he could get them. Because he will not shut up about it. As he goes back for more food. Well, you know he loves it. So...
Love Korean barbecue.
So anyway, much love, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!